Hi, Vikas. Hi, Eduardo. Can you hear me?
Hey, hi, hi. Yeah, I can hear you.
Hi everyone, I can hear you. You can hear me?
Awesome. Well, yes, we can hear you. Um, Thank you so much for your time. Eduardo Vikas is going to conduct this technical interview, so I will be in the chat in case you need anything from my side.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
all right, thank you. Hey, hi. Idiro, can you please turn on your camera?
Okay. Let me. Okay. Can you see me?
Yes, yeah, I can see you.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So, hi, good morning. So,
Good.
I will start with your introduction. So, let me know like how much total years of experience you have and the technology stack that you work on.
I'm working with .NET, C Sharp, SQL Server. I'm working um, also in the front end with React and JavaScript.
Okay, okay, all right. So, how much relevant experience you have into React and JavaScript?
I'm working with that technology. I think the 5 years, five,
Okay,
5 years with that technology.
okay, okay, all right. Yeah, so in the React application, suppose you work on functional components or class components.
Functional component.
Okay, okay. So suppose I am having a web application, I mean the React application, in the functional component, okay, and I want to make an API call on page load event. So how do you do that?
Sorry, I can hear you.
Yeah. Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So question is, suppose I'm having a React application, okay, and I want to make an API call on the page load event. So how do you do that?
Okay, uh, sorry. I don't know.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. And in the React application, suppose there are two components, okay. Then how do you pass values from one component to another component?
With the parameters, I create a constant, uh, a function, and I pass
Okay,
the variable.
okay. So so you pass it using any kind of state management or props? How do you pass it?
Um, uh, in that component, I create a function. I declare
Okay,
the parameters and another, for example, another uh, page
okay,
JavaScript. I instance. I'll call the
okay,
another function. I pass that I needed, the variables that I needed.
okay. And what is reconciliation in React?
Sorry, can you repeat me, please?
Yeah, what is reconciliation in React?
Um, sorry, I don't know that.
Okay, okay, fine. So what type of DOM React uses?
Um, the DOM is the, how can I say, the the um, the, the the ambient that I can uh, run and test my application is when
Okay,
I host the, the pages.
okay, okay. So, and suppose I want to avoid unnecessary re-rendering of a component, okay, in the application. So, how to avoid that?
But sorry, I don't know.
Hello, you can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, okay, all right.
Yeah.
So, okay, so do you know what is React.memo?
No, sorry, I don't know that.
Okay,
React.
okay, fine, fine. Yeah. So I'm putting one code in chat window. Okay. So just let me know what it will evaluate to
Okay.
in terms of Boolean value.
What is the Boolean? Let me check the chat. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So the first will be true and second will be undefined. Why the first will be true?
Um, because in Java, it's it's not validate the
Mhm.
type of the variable. I mean, you put a tree that's a number. It's compared with
Okay.
a tree, but yeah, I can interpret it that is a string. So for JavaScript, is it's the same. Not validate that type of variable.
Okay. 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 And why the second will be undefined?
Um, because I don't remember so far
Okay.
the letter, but when I put three equals, sometimes
Mhm.
I receive that message. I think that in this case, JavaScript
Okay. Fine.
can evaluate the type of the variable.
Okay.
I think.
So another code I'm putting. So suppose I'm having two blocks. If block is there and else block is there. So which code block will get executed in this case?
Okay, which code? The first one, because and the if case is it's valid, but validate the if it's true or false. Um, indefinite runs the the first block of the code.
Okay. Okay. And do you know what is hoisting in JavaScript?
Hosting in JavaScript. No.
Okay. Okay. All right. So I'm putting one code. So what will be its output for console.log A? What I will see.
Okay. Well, in that order, um, I receive a error because the variable a is declared after the
Mhm.
console log. So in this case, the console show me an error.
Error. Okay. So you'll get an error.
Yeah.
Okay. And another code I'm putting. So there is a test function that I'm trying to call.
Okay.
Okay. And in the test function below, we are trying to log some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So in what sequence I will see these numbers in the console?
Okay. Okay. Um, okay. Okay. In this case, the console show 100, the number 4 in the console for the timeout that you said that show the log for 100 seconds. So in the console shows repeat the number 4.
Okay. So in what sequence? Can you type the sequence?
Sorry, can you repeat me the question, please?
Can you type the sequence in which you will see the numbers?
Okay, okay. Right. Yeah. No, okay. Sorry. No. Sorry. That is not my answer. Uh,
Okay.
one. Yeah, I see the code again, and that is my answer. I didn't see
Okay. So one,
the.
two, and three, 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 three. How many times you'll get that?
Yeah, exactly. And after that
Okay. So
the number 4.
okay. So the three. How many times will that three will get print?
Um, the number 3.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, one 100. 100.
100 times.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. 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 All right. Yeah. And in React application, how do you handle a memory leak?
Sorry, I don't know that.
Okay. Okay. Fine. How much comfortable you are on .NET Core?
With Netcode, I'm working with 7 years.
Okay, okay. So what is middleware in .NET Core?
And middleware.
Yeah, middleware in .NET Core.
Mm, sorry, I don't know that.
Okay, okay. And do you, by any chance, do you know like what is the difference in app.use and app.run?
Um, no, sorry, I don't know the difference between that.
Okay, okay. And what are different types of filters in Web API?
Mm, the different times. It's depend the
Filters.
methods.
Fil-
The methods get it's for console. Sorry, then select and put and updates. Sorry, post and updates. Put and create and delete for yeah deletes.
Okay. So post put that you are saying?
So, sorry, can you repeat me the question, please? So,
So you are saying that HTTP put, HTTP post, that as a filter?
uh, no.
Okay, okay. So suppose there is an endpoint, Web API on endpoint, and I want to execute some code when that particular action method is getting executed, or before that method is getting executed. So which type of filter you can use?
Mm, I don't know. Sorry.
Okay, okay, all right. And do you know what is course in Web API?
Sorry, no.
Okay, fine. How much comfortable you are on database side?
I'm working with SQL.
Okay, okay. So suppose I am having a customer table, okay, and there are some customers having duplicate names. So can you please write a SQL query to find list down all the customers having duplicate names?
Okay. I type it in the chat.
Yeah, you,
Okay.
yeah, you can.
Okay. Mhm. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So can you please explain me this query?
Okay, yeah. I have the table customers, and you tell me that I show you the, the names of the customer that exceeds more than
Okay.
one record. So with a clause having count, I can extract or select that the all the
Okay.
numbers, all the names that exist more than one.
Okay. So can you use count without aggregate function?
Uh, okay. Yeah, I can use a aggregative function
Okay.
without count.
Okay. Okay. So how do you, I mean, when you say the count, right? So how do you get the count in the SQL query? So,
Okay.
I mean,
Modify the query.
yeah, I mean, in this SQL query that you are using, so can we use having directly, or when you say count of names, so every time we'll get count of names as one only, right? For all the customers.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how it will give you duplicate names?
Okay.
Okay, so select names and count as repeat. Okay.
Yeah. With the clause group by uh, occupy the names. With that way, I know I can know the all the the number that the names is repeated.
Okay. Okay, got it. And how much comfortable you are on link queue?
Yeah, I know that. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, so can you please write a link queue query for same SQL query?
Okay.
Are you done?
Hello, hello.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just saying, are you done? Hello? Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me
Yeah, yeah.
and see
Okay.
me?
Yeah. Yes, yes. I can. I can.
Okay. I send them my link. You can you see it?
No, I am saying. I just said like. Have you completed? Yes.
I send you. Can you see it?
Okay. 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 Got it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. So, so actually, I'm done from my side. So, do you have any question for me?
No, no, no. No. I don't have question. Jimena explained me all the vacancy and the the enterprise. So I don't have any question.
Yeah. So, sorry. What you need? I did not get that.
Uh,
Yeah, I did not get your question. You
no,
said
no.
something, right?
Yeah, I'm fine. I don't have question. It's good.
Okay. Okay. Fine. All right then. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Yeah.
See
Thank
you.
you. Yeah. Bye.